Just want to start with the Scott tissue, the 6 count, the one for $3.50. You have a $1 coupon, making that $2.50 now. When we scan, it shows that it is $3.50. We have a $1 coupon, and then you have a spend 15, save 5. You also have a dollar coupon on the Scott paper towel, so make some great stack deals. Okay, let's get to our next one. Okay, another down deal, guys, is going to be on the Always Flex Foam Pass. They're $5.75. It is a $3 off 2 coupon, and then you have another offer 2 for $10, making those 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. Do now deal, because on Tuesday this was empty. And guys, it also worked on the Tampax right here at $5.75. You have a $3 off coupon, then 2 for $10, making them $7 for 2 or $3.50 each. We do have that 5 off 25 coupon coming back on Monday, guys. So make sure when you print out that you say that coupon at the bottom. It should be 2, one for Saturday and one for Monday through Friday. A deal you should be out on the lookout for your 5 off 25 Monday through Friday. I'm going to tell you it's going to be on the Brawny, the 6 count. They're $11. Let me find the tag, but I scanned it in case I can't find the tag. They're $11. Look at that. You have two $2 off manufacturer coupons. Then you have a earn $2. You can limit one. All of these are manufacturers, so they will not stack. But you can do a 5 off 25 on on Monday through Friday, sorry guys, with this deal. Add something else in there for $3, high value coupon, and then you can use that. Okay, don't forget the game products are all the ones that's $9.95. There are 2 for $15 now, or $7.50 each. If you want to incorporate that on your Monday through Friday 5 off 25 deal, you need to calculate it in at the $9.95 price and then cover whatever it is that brings it down to $15. We'll do a deal for that. Okay, guys. Okay, let's get to the Purex. The Purex is $4. They are on sale 2 for $6. That's not all. $4. They are on sale 2 for $6. We have a number of coupons. Okay, let's look at them. Now we have the 2 for $6 Dollar General coupon. We have spend 20, get $5 back. Dollar General coupon. And then we have a $1 back, limit of 2. You can, that's a manufacturer. So this 2 for $6, and that manufacturer will stack. So you will pay 2 for, after you get your cash back, 2 for $4. Okay. Now, will this stack and this stack? Yes, they will, because of Dollar General manufacturer coupon. Make sure you understand, 2 Dollar General coupons will not stack, but a manufacturer and a Dollar General coupon will. Okay, guys, whenever Swiffer give us these BOGO coupons, I love them because they are great. Now, I'm going to scan one just so you can see, and then I'm going to show you something. They are $10. Then they have a, say, $10 off of 2. Hit this coupon. When you hit it and open it up, it's going to tell you everything this $10 coupon will attach to. You see all the things that will attach to? Everything. Some things is a more higher than the other. Some are cheaper. See that Swiffer duster that's $9. Pick up 2 of those. It's going to take $10 off. Okay, you're going to pay $8 for 2. Or pick up the Swiffer wet drip jet wood 12 count microfiber light pads. They're $7.50. Okay, now they only say, this store says it only has 1 in stock. I actually don't see any. So if you can find that, baby, that's your option right there. Grab those, because you can wet those with whatever you want them to be wet with, as long as it tolerate wood. Okay, so this deal right here, definitely a do now. But if you plan on using it on a 5 off 25, make sure you find a store that has a lot of stock. As of now, this is a lot of stock. This is a heavy area, that coupon button. Okay. And are you guys having like craziness going on with your coupons? It took me so long because they was low, like right now. So it scanned finally 10, and anything with wood, I think it'll tolerate any coupon, because here's just a pat one, 10, and then it'll call tolerate. So any coupon, guys, okay? And check your clearance aisle. Hey guys, don't forget your auto kit BOGO right here. Buy one get one for the auto for Breeze. So at $3.35, that coupon is for $3.30 off. So one of them you'll be paying 5 cents for. Okay, we do have a couple of deals on the Persil. It's $5.50. They gave us a $1.50 coupon, but it also has a spend 20 get 5 back, get 5 off. So manufactured Dollar General coupon stacks together, and then also you have the 50 cent back. Now that's if you don't have this coupon. I would say use these two coupons. Even if you clip that one, they're going to take the $1.50 first. I thought this was a great mention, guys, because the Gain dish soap is $2.50. When we scan, we see it's $2.50. They gave us $1 off 2 coupons, making those $2 each. That'll be great to sell in a bundle. So that I thought that was a good honorable mention. Now, some inflation things I want you guys to be aware of. See the Cascade? The Cascade is $4.75. They gave us a $1 coupon off. They usually give us at the least a $2 coupon. That's inflation. Okay, guys, crazy thing happened to me. Sometimes I have dreams about people having babies, and it be people that don't have kids, right? But all of a sudden they have a baby. This popped up today, the first response. Look, $7. It's a $5 coupon. That's $2, right? So the thing is this. My good friend called me. Her and her husband have been trying to get pregnant for years, so they stopped because she reached that age and she figured, I'm not gonna get pregnant at this age. She's 49. She's pregnant. So because we want to confirm it today, I'm picking up this test for her, and I'm going to pay $2 for it, okay? Okay, guys, another deal I want you guys to pay attention to. I would wait until I get my 5 off 25 that's going to print, or it's already on your card for Monday, okay? So here, let's do this. And that is $10.75. It's a number of coupons, and they're stacking. $2 on one Olay moisturizer, and then you're going to spend 20 and save 5. All right, on your next purchase. So you'll buy 2 of those or mix and match and get it up in there like it should be. Okay, $10.75 times 2 is $21.50. Take that $2 off they gave you, it's $19.50, and then you'll get $5 on your next purchase off $14.50. But if you want to wait till Monday, add something for $5 on there, cover that $5 for next purchase, and it'll even go lower. Now they have a lot of beauty deals. Look at the Olay moisturizer. Let me see if this one is it actually. No, that's not it. It's the Aveeno has a $3 coupon. So look for that coupon. It's really crowded over here. Hey guys, another inflation rise. The Poise pads, they was $6.50. I scanned it. It's $7. They give us a $2.50 coupon, but that's your inflation rise. Let's get to another deal, guys. I want to put this in here. The Cutter Backyard Spray is $7, right? Grab 2 cans of them. Forget cash back is awesome. You're going to get a $1.50 cash back for 2 cans. And then they are, say, $2 when you buy 2. So let's do the math. 7 is 14. You're going to automatically save $2 because you bought 2. Then you're going to take a $1.50 off twice. When you pay for it, you get a $1.50 back twice, so you get $3 back. $9, divide that by 2, those are $4.50. You're saving almost half of what it cost. And I have a baby shower to host, so I need that in the backyard. Okay, guys, we got a couple of offers on the Snuggle. My favorite, $3.95. They on sale 2 for $7.50, but that is not true. They are actually on sale 3 for $7.50. So don't get the 2 for $7.50. You know this is the better deal. Then they have a coupon, spend 20 save 5. That's stacking. It's a Dollar General coupon. These two will not work together, but they also have the earn 75 cent limit 1. So we're going to grab those for $7.50. Then we're going to take away the 75 cents after we pay for it. So we were paying $6.75 for 3. Divide that by 3, $2.25 each. That's an awesome deal. So I'm gonna pick up 3. But you know, guys, they starting to not have this a lot. I'm getting upset about it. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna do an honorable mention, and then this is gonna be the end of this video. See that the Dasani water is $5.75 for a 24 count. None there. I'm gonna scan it. See if it'll even scan for me, which it did. It's $5.75. Look it up. We have 2 coupons, one for $1 off and one for $2 off. That is an awesome deal. Make sure you grab that, guys. Okay, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share our coupon count. Bye.